City News, alive and local. And today we are with thread expert, Queen City expert Catherine Fernandez at Cosmetic and Wellness Institute. Hey, Catherine.
Hey.
So tell us, we are here today to talk a little bit about all the services you offer here.
So we offer a lot of services because I've come from different areas of medicine and I like to offer holistic care, so for the whole body. So we do the typical things, fillers, Botox, but we also do really interesting things like using what's called Easy Gel. So did you know that you could take your blood and make it into filler? Well, you can. And then I also have lasers and like a nitrogen plasma resurfacing using the fourth state of matter. I love to nerd out on that. And body contouring with ultrasound. I also do lipo-dissolve, so you like inject fat and make it dissolve. Weight loss using, the medical weight loss options. There's also microneedling using your blood, so you draw it out, take out the cells that we don't want, which are the red cells in this case, and then aerate your face and then put fertilizer in there. That's basically it. And then you could rotate that with chemical peels. And let's see, am I forgetting? Oh, and my absolute favorite thing to do are threads. The non-surgical facelift with PDO threads. Using PDO Max threads are my favorite. So you can take your face and do this with it, which is pretty cool.
Awesome.
Yes.
So wait, tell me a little bit about, so are there more popular services in the winter time?
So winter is laser season, which is a really good time. Because you're not going to be out in the sun, because a lot of the things that we do that peel off the layers of the skin affect your ability to get a sunburn. So winter is a great time for that. The advantage with our laser is that that's not an issue. It can be used all year round because it's so gentle and you don't need to numb for it. So it's really easy, and you don't leave here looking all red-faced and weird. You can look great. You're all shiny and pretty when you leave here. So, but you still get that clearing of the reds and browns and that resurfacing for fine lines and wrinkles that we ask from a laser.
Awesome. Now, can you tell us a little bit about what are your more popular services?
So the popular services are the PDO threads are probably my most popular service, and that comes in two different forms. So we have lifting threads, which is the non-surgical facelift, and aren't those beautiful words, non-surgical facelift?
Sounds amazing.
Yes. So that is kind of what it sounds like. And then the other thing we offer is smooth threads, which are often underutilized. So they can go places that filler can go, but don't have the risk of filler, so you're not going to get any of the, overfilled look or risk any of the more serious consequences like a vascular occlusion. So they can go here, they can go anywhere on the body. You can also lift anywhere on the body. You can lift here, you can do a booty lift, you can lift that little thing by your knee that nobody likes, all of those things. And then you use smooth threads to smooth things out because they're more of a collagen stimulator and give a really smooth appearance to the skin.
It seems perfect to do before the summertime, just to get everything handled for bathing suit season.
Yes.
Especially. So take me around your office a little bit.
Sure.
Show me around here's some of her patients she has, in the past.
Yes. So this is our laser resurfacing. This is the Age-Jet. It uses nitrogen. Here's a nitrogen tank on the back here, and it superheats it, and that resurfaces the skin really deeply. This is my super cool laser that I love so much. This is my body contouring thing. And this is the little thing that turns your blood into filler, which is kind of cool, this little...
Yeah, that's awesome, using your own body for improvement.
That's kind of my whole angle. I like the whole idea of using regenerative medicine, so just hijacking the body's natural mechanisms and using that to our advantage.
Yeah, you also talked about holistic beauty within your business. Tell me a little bit about that.
Well, what we see on the outside reflects what's going on inside, right? So we want to make sure that the patient is healthy, so are their vitamins okay? Are they eating correctly? All that thing, those all affect, is their stomach, do you have a good probiotic on board? Is your internal biome doing what it needs to be doing? Because that's going to affect the skin. And then you take that and extrapolate it out and use whatever techniques are necessary to make the patient look better. you know, not
enhance
different.
it, but
Yes,
enhance
right.
your beauty.
Right, without making it real dramatic.
Right,
Thing.
exactly.
Yeah.
Now, Catherine actually has one of her patients
Yes.
with us, Tina, and
Tina.
she's going to do a little demonstration with us.
Come on in. Hello there.
Hello, Tina.
Hi, Samantha.
Have a seat. So, Tina has had lifting threads with me before, in about 6 weeks ago, and this is her before picture. So we can see that there's an improvement here.
Right.
And we're going to demonstrate some smooth threads today. So one of the questions I get asked about threads is, do they hurt, or is it going to make me look weird, or how difficult is it? So let me just grab some gloves. So I'm going to show you how easy smooth threads are. And this is an example of what smooth threads can do. So these are accordion lines or sleep lines, which are really difficult to get rid of on anybody. And this was 2 days after some smooth threads.
That looks awesome.
And that will just continue to get better. Smooth threads show their best at about 6 weeks. So the disadvantage of smooth threads is that you don't get that instant gratification. But you do get lots of good effects. So she's already been prepped and cleaned.
And I also
marked.
want to mention real quick, anyone on the live right now, please ask some questions, and Catherine will do her best to answer them.
Yeah. So she's got a little bit of crepiness here that she doesn't like. So what we're going to do is we're going to just place this here, and we just go in and right up here. And there's one. And then we lay them out in a pattern. So we're going to go right next to that. Sorry about that. Oops, let me pull this side down. And place another one.
Oh yeah, this is super easy looking.
Yeah. And then we just pull the skin down over it.
And how's the pain, Tina?
You
Minimal?
don't even feel it. It's like getting a Botox.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah. So, and Tina loves to bleed. I can see her bleeding here, but that's all right.
And that's normal to bleed a little
bit, yeah. Anytime you're poking the skin, you're going to bleed a little bit. All right, this one's going to fight us a little bit. So, right up in here. And there we go. And then you just twist and pull these guys out.
Awesome.
And that's it. And so there again, there's not that instantaneous result that you get with a lifting thread,
Right.
but this is going to lay the groundwork, and it's like solid filler. So you lay it in place, and then the body builds collagen in that pattern.
Oh, awesome.
And you know, if I was doing more, I would do some across this way and be more. And these are twisted threads, so collagen will build within that too. And so again, we're using the body's own natural resources to do this, not adding anything artificial.
Yeah, let's take a look back at what she showed us a second ago.
Yeah.
Look how awesome that 2-week difference is.
And this is just smooth threads. This woman did not have filler and Botox. That's 100 smooth threads.
Awesome. Now, wrapping up for a little bit, tell us a little bit about your specials you're having this holiday season.
So right now we're doing specials we're doing some lip specials, because who doesn't love beautiful lips?
The mistletoe lips.
The
we all
mistletoe
need.
lips,
Yeah.
we all need those. So with one syringe of lip filler, and we have different types, you can get a Xeomin lip flip. So we'll flip that up, evert the lip, and then PCA's hyaluronic acid lip booster, which is the best lip balm you'll ever see in your
Ooh,
life.
awesome.
We are offering 25% off PDO threads, smooth and lifting threads, and we're also doing PDO Glow, which I don't think I have on the website yet, which is the concept of taking all of these threads and pulverizing them into a powder, and then you microneedle them into the skin. So not only do you work the underside, which is the lifting, and the smooth threads, which go deeper into the dermis, you can work the epidermis as well. So you get this true glow in about 48 hours. You look really pretty.
Yeah, exactly, especially for the holidays.
Yes.
Now, if someone was ready to set up a consultation, what should they do?
So they call or text to 704-559-9313. You can also schedule online through our website at www.cosmeticwellnessinstitute.com. And yes,
Check out her socials,
check
all
out
that.
the socials.
Yeah.
Yes, and you know those specials are all on there, and I'm always trying to do more on the socials.
Yeah, and everyone watching, this will be on our Queen City News website page under the Alive and Local tab, and you can check out this video if you want to come back to it and have some questions for later on. But thanks for following up with us, everyone, and we hope if you have any more questions or just to reach out to Catherine and she can answer them for you. And I just want to say thank you for everyone joining us.